In this question 5, we are told to evaluate this limit as x tends to 0 of x plus 1 all squared divided by x squared minus 2. Now, if you check to see if your direct substitution can work here, let's observe and see if that's correct. If you put our 0 here, 0 squared is 0 minus 2, gives us what? Minus 2. So yes, we can use the direct substitution here. So to solve this problem, therefore, we can come here where we see x, replace it with 0. So we have 0 plus 1 all squared, then divide by this place here, we have 0 squared minus 2. Now in the next step, 0 plus 1 is 1 word squared. Then upon 0 squared is 0. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So finally, we are going to have here 1 squared is 1 upon minus 2. And this is going to be the answer to this question. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And please, if you have not watched our other videos on this particular tutorial question, I will advise that you do so and go over to the videos to this channel and watch every other videos and let us know what you think about our videos. Please, you can also give us suggestions on questions you would have us solve for you. Thank you very much for spending your time to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and you can also like and comment on our videos. You can download this video for your own use or share it with your friends and families and other students that are in the same department or faculty as you. So stick with me in this channel as I will be bringing you more solutions to this tutorial on differential and integral calculus.